you probably guessed it the second this video came online and you were like, oh, there she goes again. But yeah, I got some new Lego. It's yet again Harry Potter, obviously. Like, what other Lego would I get that I would be able to make on my room on my own without anyone interrupting me? Now, again, I got it from the same shop. The shop is called Bouwblokjes. It's both an online shop. You can, well, I will definitely link them in the description down below, together with my socials. But yeah, I'm making some Harry Potter stuff again. I love doing that. I'm quite honestly a little bit crazy. But yeah, I got this one today with some of the babysitting money I made. I think that was from last week or something. But yeah, it was actually quite less expensive than I thought. So that made me quite excited. Now, what I do have to say is this took me about 35-ish minutes. Of course, you're gonna notice that some things went wrong. Some things I was used to because last time we also did one of these, which I will definitely do one of these again because I enjoy making these so much. But at a certain point, I have a feeling that the basic book covers, I'm gonna know by myself how to make them. You see that I skip some steps, I mismatch some steps. That happens. At a certain point, you're even gonna see me be getting cocky and thinking I know everything, and then not realizing that I have to mirror it. So I had to do that one again, which was amazing. Let me tell you that. Felt some huge embarrassment, but hey, that happens, and that is a reminder for all of us to not get cocky while making Lego. Also, this is your daily reminder to please drink something. According to my dad, coffee is mainly made out of water, so if you like coffee, yes, you can have some coffee, but if you don't, please get water or tea, tea is technically also still water, but like with grass in it, according to some of my friends. But yeah, please stay hydrated. I quite honestly have no clue what to ramble on about in this one. Tried doing some things off screen, but yeah, you can even see the way I'm sitting. I'm pretty sure like you can see my sock. Let me tell you, trying to sit on a floor while also trying to film, not get in the way of my own camera, and make sure stuff was visible was harder than I thought. Now here I got cold, so I switched into my PJs, and now I'm sitting on my knees, which my knees hate me for that. They will never ever forgive me. But yeah, when I got this box, I was scared because I do actually have a Hermione Granger, but I'm pretty sure you saw that already. But I compared the ones I have, and they're not the same. So yeah, that made me very happy. Obviously, I think that's quite normal that it made me quite happy. But yeah, here I was like, I lost one of the blocks. Got basically very panicked over it because, oh no, I lost the block. But yeah, that is that. That went by faster than expected. Thank you for watching and have a lovely rest of your day.